Everyone thinks the best-selling off-road electric skateboard is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Meepo Campus V3. The Meepo Campus V3 immediately caught my eye. Priced at $189.99, it's designed for beginners and teens, making it super accessible. If you want a fun, easy entry into electric skateboarding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Campus V3 has a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, which is thrilling yet manageable for new riders. Its 8 to 10 mile range means you can enjoy longer rides without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, it features a 4-speed remote that helps you gradually build your skills. And with a durable 7-ply maple deck, it supports up to 150 pounds, ensuring stability as you ride. Now, some people complained about the board being a bit small for larger riders. Here's the thing though, if you're under 150 pounds, you'll have a great experience. For heavier riders, Meepo offers larger models that might suit you better. But for beginners or younger teens, this board strikes a fantastic balance. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to have fun without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a heavier rider or need something more powerful. For the price, you really can't beat the value. Now, if the Campus V3's size concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Magneto Mini Cruiser. The Magneto Mini Cruiser really stands out with its unique tiki design. Priced at $50.39, it's a steal for anyone looking to combine style with functionality. If you want a portable board that's easy to ride, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. At 27.5 inches, it's perfect for kids and adults alike, making it versatile for the whole family. The double kicktails allow for tricks like ollies, which means you're not just cruising, you're also improving your skills. Plus, with a sturdy 7-layer Canadian maple construction, it offers durability and grip, so you can feel confident on your rides. Now, some reviews mention that the wheels could be a bit hard for rougher terrain. Here's the thing though, this board is designed for smooth rides on urban streets. If you're looking to hit the trails, you might want a beefier option, but for casual cruising, it excels. This is perfect for you if you want a board that's easy to carry and fun to ride. Skip this one if you plan on off-roading or need something heavy-duty. For its price, it's a fantastic entry-level board. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more serious riders. Product number 3, Electric Skateboard Remote. The Cunier Electric Skateboard Remote priced at $31.29. This might seem like a simple accessory, but it can make or break your riding experience. If you need a reliable remote for your board, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This remote features adjustable speed and brake control, so you can set it to match your comfort level. The wireless LED display shows real-time metrics like battery level and speed, which is great for keeping track of your ride. Plus, it's crafted from durable ABS material, ensuring it can withstand the bumps and drops of your adventures. Now, some users reported connectivity issues with certain boards. Here's the thing though, if you ensure compatibility before purchasing, this remote works like a charm. For anyone looking to enhance their electric skateboard experience, it's still a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable remote to elevate your riding. Skip this one if your current remote works perfectly fine. For the price, it's a smart addition to any board setup. Now, if you want something more compact, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Natorq Mini Cruiser. The Natorq Mini Cruiser is an eye-catching board at just $33.99. With colorful light-up wheels, it's designed to grab attention while providing a smooth ride. If you want something fun and flashy for your kids or yourself, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This board is made from high-quality materials, making it lightweight and easy to carry. The self-generating power wheels mean you don't need batteries, just ride and enjoy the glow. Plus, it supports up to 220 pounds, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. Now, some parents express concerns about the board's stability for more adventurous tricks. Here's the thing though, this board is perfect for casual riding and light tricks, but if you're aiming for serious skateboarding, you might want to consider a sturdier model. For light use, it's definitely fun and functional. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun board for casual rides. Skip this one if you're serious about skateboarding tricks. For the price, you get a unique and enjoyable ride. All right, that wraps up some fun options. But if you're after something specialized for the trails, the next product might be what you need. Product number 5, Skater Trainers. We have the Skater Trainers, priced at $28.99. These aren't your average skateboard accessories. They're designed to help you learn tricks faster and safer. If you want to boost your confidence while mastering your skills, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Skater Trainers fit over your skateboard wheels, allowing you to practice ollies and kickflips without worrying about falling. This means you can build muscle memory and confidence in a safe environment. They're recommended by instructors and are perfect for skaters of all ages, from kids to adults. Now, some people complain that they felt awkward at first using them. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, they're a game changer for learning. If you're serious about improving your skills, they're worth the try. This is perfect for you if you want to learn tricks safely and quickly. Skip this one if you're already a pro and don't need assistance. For the price, it's an excellent value for aspiring skaters. The Meepo Campus V3 is ideal for beginners. The Magneto Mini Cruiser brings fun portability. The Cunha Remote enhances your ride. The Knot Torque Mini Cruiser adds style. And the Skater Trainers help you learn. No matter your needs, there's something here for everyone. Happy skating!